What if you could design AI agents that don't just respond to prompts, but also think, remember, collaborate, and even execute multi-step plans, all without rebuilding from scratch? This is exactly what Agno makes possible. Agno is a full-stack framework for building multi-agent systems with reasoning, memory, knowledge, and even deterministic workflows. And today, we're going to break down what makes it powerful, what you can build with it, and why it's a serious leap forward for the future of agentic AI. At its core, Agno is built for developers and researchers who want to move beyond prompt engineering and into the world of structured agent architecture. It's not a chatbot SDK. It's not just another LLM wrapper. Agno is a system-level framework designed to help you build intelligent agents that are capable of thinking through problems, making decisions based on context, and coordinating with other agents when tasks grow complex. Agno gives you a clear structure for scaling from single-agent tasks to full multi-agent workflows. Level 1. Agents with tools and instructions. Level 2. Agents with access to knowledge and storage. Level 3. Agents with memory and reasoning. Level 4. Agent teams that can reason and collaborate. Level 5. Agentic workflows with persistent state, control logic, and deterministic behavior. Whether you're building a simple assistant or an autonomous research pipeline, Agno adapts to the level of intelligence you need. Agno is model-agnostic. It integrates with 23+ LLM providers. It's incredibly fast. Agent instantiation takes just 3 microseconds. It's memory efficient, averaging 6.5 KB per agent. It's multimodal, so agents can handle text, images, audio, video, and return structured responses in Markdown, JSON, or schema-defined formats. Most importantly, reasoning is first class. You can use chain-of-thought models, reasoning tools, or Agno's custom logic framework to build robust agents that don't hallucinate, don't get stuck, and know how to self-correct. Let's say you want to build a financial research assistant. At level 1, you can create a reasoning agent that uses the Y-Finance API to answer queries. At level 3, you give that agent memory and context awareness to improve over time. At level 4, you add a teammate, a web agent that searches for news, and the two work together to generate reports. Each agent handles a single responsibility, and the team controller coordinates tasks across them. This mirrors how real companies operate: distributed, specialized, and optimized for performance. You can run all of this with structured output, FastAPI endpoints, full logging, and even async tool execution. Agno is production-ready. It supports FastAPI, has built-in session memory and vector search integration, and includes performance benchmarks right out of the box. Need observability? You can monitor agent runs and memory usage in real time on agno.com. And unlike some frameworks that choke at scale, Agno is obsessed with performance. Everything is optimized to minimize memory usage and speed up execution, because at scale, milliseconds and megabytes add up fast. If you're serious about building real-world AI systems, not just experiments, Agno is the framework to watch. You can get started right now by reading the docs, testing in the playground, and running full projects from the examples gallery. All the code and setup info is in the video description. Like the video, subscribe for more technical deep dives, and comment below with what you'd build using Agno.